welcome back to my channel. I'm Katie. Today is all about unboxing my Jackson's Art haul. Well, yeah, it doesn't look like a big haul, but to me it is a haul, and I am so absolutely excited about this Jackson's Art order because it came so quickly. I am in the US, Jackson's is in London, and I actually ordered this on the 7th of October, and okay, today is October 18th. I think it's October 18th. Yes, it's October 18th. So, this came in yesterday. So, 10 days, and I had a Jackson order. I have ordered from companies here in the U.S., and it has literally taken double that to get to me. So, I'm not mentioning that name of that company just because I'm not, but you know, if a Jackson's Art order can get to me from the UK in 10 days, I am super, super excited. Okay, so let me move this out so you don't see that. But, so what I got was I got some Neocolors and some color pencils. So I ended up with 7 Neocolors and 7 Polychromos pencils. So you know, it really, look at this, it was $27. Another thing is, this is way cheaper. I can't even get it this cheap or this low cost in the US. You know, I know I don't like the word cheap, but yeah, I am so excited to have a Jackson's order because I like the way they package their stuff. I'm a big Natasha Newton fan, and April from Monkey Mintaka. So, you know, Jackson's orders, I love the way they package them. And no, it's not Stabilo, but let's see. Let's open my pencils real quick. I'm so excited about adding some new pencils to my collection. And these, I got Pompeian Red, Dark Indigo, Sanguine, which, oh, it's one of my favorite colors, Earth Green Yellowish, Dark Naples Ochre, Burnt Carmine, and Caput Mortuum, which I have this in a Pitt Artist pen, which I showed on my previous video. So yeah, I was trying to match other supplies that I already had so that I could do some layering over what I'm working on. So yeah, mixed media. And here are my Neocolors. Oh my goodness, you know, that's so eco-friendly. I love that. These you know, just throw them in water and they'll melt away. But I have not had any Caran d'Ache in a while, and so yeah, they even talk about this, about the sustainable packaging. Their packaging peanuts are 100% compostable, made from starch-based raw materials. Low energy manufacturing, natural, non-toxic, break down in home composting, and they are completely water soluble. Normally, that's what I do. I will just pour some water over them and let them just dissolve and then pour them down the drain, which is what it says you can do. So yeah, that's, you know, that's pretty good. And I will keep this little box. Trust me, that little box will come in handy. And so here are the colors for Neocolors that I picked up. I picked up Gold Ochre, Salmon, Blue Turquoise, Rouge. Why am I reading the other? Goodness. Okay, Turquoise Blue. I'm reading the French one. Yes, I did study French. Salmon, Golden Ochre, English Red, Sahara Yellow, Umber. This is just Umber. And then Jade Green. So I have a blue, green, yellow, red, and a couple of neutrals and a pink. So I think I'm pretty good on these colors, you know. So I'm excited to try these out. I do have a new sketchbook that I'm planning on using for my color pencils and pen. And I will show that in another video. But yeah, this is my little Jackson's Art haul. like I said, I ordered this on October 7th. It was delivered on October 17th, so exactly 10 days. From the UK to the US. I am in rural Georgia. So, you know, if you were up in New York or somewhere, it does come through JFK. So if you're up on the East Coast, it would probably be quicker to you. It did take a little while to get down south. But, yeah, I'm very, very impressed with their shipping as well as the cost. The Neo colors only cost me $1.86. I normally, the reason I haven't bought them and purchased them is because they were almost $3 at any local place that I found. Yes, I do support local, but I'm also on a budget. The Faber-Castell Polychromos normally cost me about $3 each, and these were $1.56. And so even with shipping was only $5.77. I did get a $2.42 discount for using, for my first order. But yes, I am super excited about, you know, ordering from Jackson's. I will be ordering again. I already have a cart on standby to add more Polychromos and Caran d'Ache, these Neo colors. One thing right now, because the US dollar is so good right now against the British pound, prices are very, very good. Especially because even before that, their prices were still lower than what I could get them here in the US, which is really funny because, you know, $27 for 14 pieces, that included shipping. That's not bad at all. I'm very, very impressed with their on time, how quickly it got here, and plus there's no damage. I have ordered from other places before and my tips have come broken, and other pieces have come broken. And so yes, I am very impressed by the way they package and everything else. Hopefully by the time this video goes up, I will be a Jackson's affiliate, and there should be a link in the description box below if so. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Please hit that like button, subscribe button. I do a bunch of different things on this channel, so yeah, that's just me. I am a multi-passionate artist. See you soon. I just wanted to pop back in and say, because I didn't pull out my swatch book when I was ordering these, I actually ordered 3 duplicate pencils. Yes, I didn't get all the new ones I thought I would, but yes. So, 3 duplicates, but these are my favorite colors. Dark Indigo, Sanguine, and Dark Naples Ochre. Yeah, these are 3 of my favorite colors, so I guess it's good that I ended up with 3 extra.